dashboard. Yep, they got murdernized. I know some people may hate that term, but good boy. With that's a nice CE Electronics voice. There's the Otis logo. Whee! First floor. You can go ahead.
Going up.
This one has the arrow, the other one doesn't for some odd reason. Different programming. Here comes the bounce. And we'll send this away.
Third floor.
Opens on this side too.
Yep. And another Otis logo there. And of course we gotta cut off or YouTube will hate us. I love that we have our own COPs in here. It's great.
Yeah. I do a cavity. His big brother.
And a me. There's what the indicator used to be. We'll end.
First floor going up.
We'll go to 3 and then we'll go to 2. Oh, we actually, you know what? We'll come back down here since I gotta wash my hands in the bathroom. I just remembered.
You. Somebody called you.
Third floor.
I guess the other car. Oh, hello. Which floor?
I am number 2.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Second floor going down.
Have a good day, ma'am. Thank you. Good job, bud. Good boy.
If only we would have had the Vanity a little longer.
Yep.
First
DJ,
floor.
this for you.
Yep. This is for you, Elevator Dude 100. And then, once these doors close, I'm going to show you guys something that I've showed before. I just noticed these last week. These are 2 inspection certificates from, I think, June 2024. So, yeah. Anyways, there's the lockbox and...
Oh, wait, up today actually, June of 2025.
Okay, so just last year. All right, cool. There's the lockbox. And we'll leave it here.